In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign your documents Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have Zoho Sign connected to Zoho Books so you can send and sign your documents directly from your accounting workspace. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an administrator role in the right Zoho Books organization and that Zoho Sign is available for your account region. From your Zoho Books dashboard, head to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens the central hub for configuring your organization, users, and integrations. Inside settings, look for Marketplace and click it. Marketplace is where you add trusted integrations to extend what Zoho Books can do. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zoho Sign. You're looking for the integration specifically labeled Zoho Sign for Zoho Books. Click that result to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does and the permissions it needs. It's a good idea to skim this so you know exactly how documents, recipients, and signatures will flow between the two apps. Next, click Activate to start enabling the integration. You'll typically be shown the terms and permissions. When you see the consent prompt, select the checkbox to confirm you understand and agree. Taking the moment to read these terms helps you avoid surprises later, especially if you manage sensitive documents or work under strict compliance policies. After checking the box, click Activate again to confirm. Zoho Books will process the request and bring the integration into your account. If you're prompted to wait a moment, that's normal. Let it complete. Once activation finishes, you'll be taken to the integrations area where Zoho Sign appears among your connected apps. Find Zoho Sign there and click Connect. This ties your Zoho Books organization to your Zoho Sign account. You may be asked to authorize access or to choose the Zoho Sign organization to link. Approve the requested permissions to continue. If you're already signed into Zoho Sign, the connection may complete immediately. That's it. The integration is now live. You can verify the status anytime in Settings under Integrations, where it should show as connected. From here on, you'll see Zoho Sign options inside your Zoho Books workflow, so you can prepare and send documents for signature without jumping between apps. If something doesn't connect, double check your role permissions, ensure your Zoho Sign subscription is active, and confirm you're in the correct organization. With the setup done, you're ready to streamline signatures and keep everything tracked neatly inside Zoho Books.